Last. Do we have enough driver or marshals? That's good. Corner marshals ready. Drivers ready. 5 minutes at the tone. Good luck. Richard getting out there pretty clean. Top 3 drivers had good starts out there. Control straight. Press over. Everything's clear, everything's good. Looks like a freight train going on here. That's pretty good driving out there. Richard would get really deep. That's out here in 2. Captain top 3 players in 4. Christian Kite, Nick 6, 1.7, Bill Cap 8, Anthony 9, Joe 10, and Luke 11. Alright, we got Rally Wick up in front, following after Chad Sankow and Anthony Jasmine. Once again, Tuesday night, modified rally class will be starting. If you box stock in modified, the only difference in the modified class will be over to is 2 cell lifeline together on your own radio. So if you don't want to do that, you'll be able to do that. We can still have a box stock class also. Right now we got Rick Moore up in front, following Chad Sankow and Anthony Jasmine holding on to the 3rd spot. So the rally team, Rick Moore. Still up in front in the blue. No, he's not in the blue, he's in the regular one. We got Chad Sankow holding on to the 2 spot. Sankow, loving this rally car. This is a blast. He gets hung up in the middle. We got Anthony Jasmine, the custom painted in 3. We got Trouble coming off to the front straightaway. Somebody rolled it. We got Chad Sankow back to 4th, so we got Frappia now up to the 3rd spot. Cleola in 5, Champagne in 6, Chap in 7. That Campbell, Mike Holmes at 9, Nick Arginello at 10, Lucas 11. 18, 5, 16 to pace, with 2.5 minutes in, 2.5 to go. The leader out to the front straightaway, he's down the front straight now. Jasmine up to 2nd. He's coming to the infield. Out to the front straightaway now. We got Matt Frappia running in 3rd. Champagne now up to 4th. Cleola in 5. Sankow in 6. And race 10, race 11. Be coming next. Alright, we got trouble in the front straight, all clear. So it's Rick Moore, Anthony Jasmine, Chris Champagne, Frappia in the 4th spot, Cleola now in 5, Sankow in 6, Coleman in 7. 1:25 to go, 1:25 to go. Rick Moore, following Anthony Jasmine, Champagne up to 3, Frappia back to 4, Cleola in 5, 25 seconds left. 17.505 for the leader, 17.518 for Jasmine. Champagne on 16.504 now, running in 3rd. Team overhaul. We got 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Rick takes it down, 17.505. Anthony Jasmine is going to finish in the second spot. For the front straight he goes right now. It is 17.516. Crafty runs up at 16.506. Champagne in fourth with a 16.506. Toyota 16.510. Mike Holmes 16.516. Chad 16.519. Joe Trav with 15. Joe with 15. Nick Ottoman with 14. It's still waiting for Luke with 14.